Do you know there are 25 letters in the Yoruba alphabet? 18 of these are consonants, while 7 are vowels. Also, there are no C, Q, V, X, and Z in the Yoruba alphabet, with the addition of E, O, S, and B. I'll make words from each of the letters and also form sentences from them. Are you ready? A, ago. What time is it? Ago melu lolu. B, bolu. Ball. I'm playing with the ball. Mo ń fi bọ́ọ̀lù ṣeré. D, digi. Mirror. I'm looking at my face in the mirror. Mo ń wojú mi nínú dígí. A, èso. Fruit. I love eating fruit. Mo fẹ́ràn jíjẹ èso. E, ẹ̀fọn. Mosquitoes. I detest mosquitoes. Mo kórìíra ẹ̀fọn. Fi, fìlà. Cap. Fola has a red cap on. Fola dé fìlà pupa. Gi, gèlè. Headgear. The headgear suits Ghanaians so well. Gẹ́gẹ́ ni gèlè ṣe lórí Ghanaian. B, boom boom. Loudspeaker. Gbadé doesn't need a loudspeaker. Gbadé kò nílò boom boom. Hale. Brag. He brags about everything. Ohun gbogbo ló fi ń halẹ̀. Igi. Tree. The tree is tall. Igi náà ga. Jàgùdà. Thief. The police caught a thief. Ọlọ́pàá mú olè tàbí ọwọ́ ọlọ́pàá tẹ olè. Kìnìún. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Kìnìún lọba nínú igbó. I'll stop here and continue in the next class. My name is Fadérera. I'm a Yoruba woman, a great lover of the Yoruba language. If you love this video, please like, comment, and share. Till I see you again next class. Bye-bye. Ó dàbọ̀.